Banana cake. Welcome to my world of simple cooking. I am going to make a cake without using oven. It's called banana steam cake and the ingredients are 100 grams powdered sugar, 100 grams butter. This is 200 grams. I am going to use half of it. 130 grams or 1 cup plain flour or Maida. 200 grams banana, any sweet bananas. In Malaysia, we use pisang emas. Smash it to a smooth paste using a fork. Smash very well and keep it aside. Two eggs, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, 3/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Grease a tray with butter or cooking oil. Spread flour evenly, or even you can spread sugar. At the side too. After dusting, throw the excess flour by turning the tray. Add salt to butter and sugar. Add flour in a shifter, add baking powder and baking soda to it. Not every cake you can use soda. Shift well. And mix well. Or you can use a Tupperware. Add all these items to it, cover it and shake it well. Break eggs into a bowl and use the beater to make the egg puffy and keep it aside first. Now beat the butter and sugar to a very fine texture. I am using electric beater. You can use hand beater. Use a knife to mix all well. Add 3/4 of the beaten egg to it and beat well. Continue till all the eggs is mixed. Add lime juice and milk to the smashed banana. Mix well. Add the mixed banana to the mixture. Beat well and evenly. You can beat fast. Now slow down the beater. Add the flour little by little. Or you can use a folder to fold it. But do not beat fast. I've already heat the water to the steamer, or you can also use oven if you like. Add vanilla essence to a final touch. I am adding 1 tablespoon of milk as it is too thick. Just mix it. Now add the batter to the tray. Spread evenly. Now drop the tray twice to avoid air bubble. Do not drop many times as we are using banana fruits. Can sink to bottom easily, so be careful. I am not using pressure cooker but a idli steamer. place the cake in the steamer. Now cover it. I am using a weight on top the steamer so that the steam won't go out. Cook for 45 to 1 hour. Okay, the banana cake is ready. Let it cool down before cutting. Okay, it is cool and I am going to cut into pieces. If you use a small tray, it will look more cute. This is the cake and it's very delicious. Thank you for watching my channel.